putting on the glue, you don't want to put on the glue too thick. That's why it's important to have this with the teeth them, so it gives you a leverage of how much to use it. You see? What we do now, we have this. This already have some glue on it, but this glue is not that strong. So this is why we're putting on another coat of glue, because we want to make sure that this thing ain't fall off. You know what I'm saying? So what we do, we come now and we jam it, we put it to this side with this one, make sure it jam properly, and we come and we set it in right there. Alright, you pull it really tight. You make sure you have a piece of rag to clean it one time, because you do not want it to dry. Because if it's dry, it's going to make the job pretty harder. So we're going right up to this, to the ceiling, and we have this piece right over here as well. Yes. So this is how you put it down, guys. It's wise to have this trowel with the teeth. So when you put it on and you spread, it gives a level. It level out the glue for you. So when you come, everything gonna just go on nicely. Yes. Okay. So now, all right, let me show you how my install. The next one. You see, you spread it like this. And you don't want to go too high. The reason why you want to go too high, because you want to do portion by portion, because the glue also dry pretty fast. Alright? So we'll give you another idea. Take it out. We call this peel and stick. This is vinyl, but you call it peel and stick. This is the one you gotta peel off the paper from the, and then you come and you stick it. You make sure you jam it to the wall over there. You bring it down tightly, and you do it, and you press it in. You also can have a hammer, and you can take the hammer and just tap it in. Not too hard to break it down, just to let it set in. And then what you do, you come with a piece of rag and you clean it out. Okay, so now we have piece for here, so we gotta cut this out. So we gotta measure for this one, which is 29.5. Do we have any for that? Let's see if this piece gonna work right here. Yeah, this piece is perfect. So what we do, take this off. You gotta make sure you get off all the paper. Alright, so you take it off and you come, you slap it in there, you put it there, then you come down. clean it. A good thing to do is make sure you take the measurement. So if you take the measurement, you could cut them out in pieces. Like for instance, this wall, take a whole sheet and another sheet which is 38 3/4. So you make sure you check the wall to make sure they plumb, and then you cut a few pieces at 38 3/4. So you every time you set and then you add to, so you keep going and make it easier for you. So alright, so I'm gonna show you the finishing touch. Alright. Oh yes guys, what's up? This is the finishing. This is actually the last piece to go right over the top here. If you notice, you're gonna see the whole entire wall complete from top to the bottom. So now we're gonna put in this piece right here. So I have to cut it. Make sure that it cut. Easy to cut. Take off the back. Alright guys, that's basically it there guys. Finish it from top, come right down to the bottom. Thank you all, appreciate it.